Hi everyone and welcome to the demonstration of the Nature's Nectar Juice Bar website. Nature's Nectar is all about providing fresh, healthy and delicious juices made from locally sourced ingredients. Through our website, we seek a solution for the problem of customers having to wait for a considerable amount of time after placing their orders and the staff having to handle a high volume of orders during peak hours. Our online platform makes it easy for the customers to explore the menu and place orders. Our main goal in creating this user-friendly website is to provide a seamless experience for both the customers and the staff. By allowing the customers to place orders online, we are minimizing the time spent waiting in line, ensuring the fresh juices are ready when the customers arrive. Our website makes the management of the orders more efficient. Also, the staff won't have to deal with the stress of handling a high volume of customers at once, and there won't be long queues inside the shop. Customers can easily place orders through our website, and they also have the option of removing or extending their orders within 30 minutes of placing them. Our website is all about creating a more relaxed and enjoyable experience for all the customers and the staff.
I think you have clear idea about the problem and solution. Let's see how we implement this website to overcome that issue. Let's take a basic understand of site overview. If you are not here, you can see our home page with a hello message and welcome to our juice bar, and these are our products. If you are not signed up user, first of all, you have to create account and register. You can navigate to that page through the register. Click on register. Then your details. Here there are two options as user type, customer and admin. First, I show you how customer. What are the customer functionalities? After enter the details and press this register button, you can see here the sign up successfully message. After sign up, you have to sign in through this link. After you sign in, after you log in, you can see here the hello message with your first name and the changes of navigation bar. The logout button comes instead of login and the profile icon comes instead of register. When we click on profile item, you can see the profile details of your profile details. These are the products of our website, and if we click on view item, you can see the product at a single page. By click on order now, you navigate to making order page, and you can select day and order time. It means delivery time, and then you can select products. I select orange juice, quantity 2, and mango smoothie. Then submit the order. When you submit the order, you navigate to order page where your all orders are stored, and you can see all the order details that you made. Here you can see total price and order status as pending. Here the delivery time that you set before at 11:39. You can here options extend order and renew order. If you extend the order, uh, your delivery time will increase by 15 minutes. I show how extend order. Uh, you can see here the change of delivery time. It becomes 11:54. Let's I show how to remove order. If you remove order, your order will delete. Uh, by this button, you can navigate to the making order page and make the order. Let's look at the functionality of admin. I register as an admin. Here I select admin as the option and the telephone number register. Then sign in. Here you can see the home page of admin. Admin can change the status of each order. Here the drop down button, you can see the status. I will change the status of pending to processing at order ID 21 and save the status, update status. These are the functionality of our website, and let's look at our code implementation. Now you can see our project implementation using Ballerina, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and MySQL database. For the front end, we use React framework. This is the front end. These are the pages I described at before, and the components, navigation bar, product details, and product list. Let's look at backend. This is our Ballerina backend. In the backend, main.bal file contains the resource functions which share data with database and frontend. We have used 13 resource functions to implement our project. I will explain one by one. The first one is get products. By this function, we can select the products from database, and then the get product by ID. When for the given ID, it sent the corresponding product. Then the get order by customer ID. It sent the order order details when we send the customer ID for corresponding customer. It sends the order of corresponding customer. Then the register user function. Through this function, the user when sign up, the details of user is saved to database. Then the check user function. It checks whether the user credentials are valid or invalid to log in to the website. Then get user details function. It return the user details when we input the user ID. This functionality is added to our to display the profile of user. Then the submit item. It add the product to order item table in the database, and the submit order function. It add the records to customer order table at the database. To save the order status, delivery date, order made date, and order status to display. Then the delete order function. When we call this function, it deletes the order from the customer order table. Then the extend order. It extends the delivery time of the order by 15 minutes. Then the get all orders function. It show the all orders to admin to update status of order. The get status function return the all the status from status table. Then the update order state function. It allow admin to update the status of each order. These are the resource functions. So this is the technical overview of our project.
In conclusion, Nature's Nectar Juice Bar website is designed to enhance the overall experience of the users by saving time for both the customers and the staff. Our main focus was to provide a user-friendly and efficient ordering system for the customers and to improve the management of orders as well as reducing the workload and the pressure during peak hours. For future improvements, we plan to add the ability for users to delete their accounts, a feature that is not yet available on our website. Thank you.